This is in Moscow. This is the family stay. Bright light to read. Table. Sofa. Bench. With a map of the world in Russian on it, which is always a fascinating thing. And there we have New Zealand, or in Russian, Nova Zelandia. Novaya Zelandia. And this most impressive collection of books. It's so cool. English-Russian textbooks, English-Chinese textbooks. Oh, because the girl here now speaks perfect English, but perfect Chinese as well. Amazing linguistics. You've got sort of, you go to Kitai-Ruski Slovar, which a Russian-Chinese dictionary. You've got Slava-Ruska Yazyka, which is a dictionary of Russian language. That's what's that one? That's dictionary of Français Russe. That's French. I speak French as well. Amazing. Gotta die for a book collection like that. Dolls and things, and my little pack, and gear, and stuff. Just all sitting there. About to bed. My little camera and stuff on it. And me. Hi. It's the night of the 6th of January, and in about half an hour we're going to go off into Moscow to see the bells and the service and stuff for Christmas Day, which should be quite cool. Anyway, that was where I was living. Bye. It's my alarm to say wake up in case I fell asleep.
дальше еще лучше. Вот.
Окей. Сейчас работает, да?
Ага, где? Ага.
Не работает, работает.
This is very cold.
Ага, хорошо. О.
It's 10 to 1 in the middle of the, it's 10 to 1 in the morning.
Сюда.
So I spent most of today wandering around over there.
Ага.
Tomorrow I'm going to go in the Kremlin, have a look around.
Ага.
And tomorrow afternoon I'm going to go skating in Gorky Park, which I'm looking forward to enormously.